If you haven't traveled to the Maldives, this series is for you. The Maldives is a nation of islands in the Indian Ocean that spans across the equator. We bring you along to a 5-star luxury resort called Dhigali. During our adventure, we try amazing food, fantastic excursions. We give you a behind-the-scenes inside look on how a 5-star luxury resort operates. We also give you an overview of what to expect from a 5-star resort versus an inhabited island. The country is comprised of 1,192 islands. We also take you to a small traditional inhabited Maldives island called Dhigurah to show you budget accommodations. Only 200 of the islands are inhabited and a select few of each of the atolls are resorts. The beauty of the Maldives is not only about the water. The Maldives is home to about 5% of the planet's reefs that comes with an explosion of colors. We stayed in a small island run by local Maldivians. We experienced local island life with local culture and unspoiled nature. This is a postcard to trust. So watch this series to see a side-by-side comparison of our experiences at a luxury and budget resort in the Maldives. This multi-series will give you a very in-depth look into the Maldives like you've never seen before.